I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't That's why I spend my life with you.
Hi, hotties, kettles, tea stirs. You're here for hot tea. All commentary is alleged, and in my opinion, this is for entertainment purposes only. You guys know there's been a lot going on with me, but let's push through. I promised you guys I would show you guys how to work the Nubian app so you guys can prepare to stream Charnitas World at 9 p.m., which airs tonight. And I also want to talk about some of the shady business that's been going on behind the scenes with Carlos and Mel. So let's get into it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the post notification bell so you guys are up to date each and every time that I upload. So I want to break down the behind the scenes beef or the behind the scenes nonsense that we perceive to be a beef brewing. But I really want to do that in another video because I think there is a lot of context that we can add to why people feel the way that they feel about Carlos and Mel's relationship. Because on one breath, he gets on his platform and he does an interview with Mel and he says that he's a Melometer and he loves Mel and care for Mel, etc., and they're friends, etc. And then in the next breath, he's doing things that would not give the vibes that you have her best interest at heart as a friend or even an employer. Because apparently he tried to get her to film with her baby mama after he did that interview with Tasha K. And this is what I mean by Carlos not reading the room. Your fans are literally screaming. They're screaming, pouring their hearts out as to what it is that you can do to change the trajectory of the show, and you continue to just align yourself with mess. And when you talk about your fan base versus Mel's fan base, there's really no comparison because your fan base does not operate in the highest form of integrity. So when you talk about what your fan base will and won't do when it comes to standing up for you or backing you, they're not going to move like the Melometers. And I think that's why a lot of you guys are mad. And I think that's why a lot of you guys keep mentioning Mel's fan base. Leave us the fuck alone. How we choose to ride for the person that we are inspired by is how we choose to do that. Focus on the people that ride for you. Your fan base isn't built on the same thing Mel's fan base is built on. So they're not going to vibe differently. Carlos, at the end of the day, your fan base is built on mess. They like drama. They like messy shit. So the more you're in drama, the more you are in messy shit, the more they thrive because that's what they like. Versus Mel's fan base. I feel we move with integrity. We move with unity. And for the most part, we're trying to align ourselves with right is right, wrong is wrong. This fan base is about creating a safe space for women. So the goal is different. So I don't like that he continues to go on his platform to tell us what he would want his fan base to do. They're built differently. They're not the same. That's why y'all don't like us that much, because we don't like that messy shit that y'all like. We like transparency, integrity, and thorough story, not made up fantasies and facades to make people feel good and look good and throw drama all up on the camera that don't even make sense or equate to anything. But that's besides the point, y'all, because I can really go live and do a deep dive and make another video to do a deep dive because I'm just not understanding the disconnect. The fan base has gone so hard because you've continued to protect Mel's baby mama that has shown and continues to show multiple behaviors that would trigger DV victims. And if majority of the fan base or the majority of the Love and Marriage Huntsville fan base are women, why aren't you catering to your fan base? And what really aggravates me, they keep doing stupid surface level shit as if we don't have depth and saying that we just don't like them just because. Yeah, there are people that don't like y'all, but ultimately we don't give a fuck about y'all. We don't like what we are seeing and we are calling that out. We're not saying this stuff because we just don't like y'all and we just don't want to like y'all. We don't care enough. But we do care enough to investigate why it is that you continue to support Mel's baby mama after everything that he's shown and displayed across the board. Why is it that you had that live show to where it was so emotional and moving and then turned around and still allowed him to film? Why is it that you sat down and had that conversation with Mel, the star of the show, if you weren't going to actually be vigilant with how you choose to move with Mel's baby mama? Like I said, it's disingenuous and you're messy. Your fan base is messy and they like messy shit. And when you operate in that realm, a lot of times you miss your morals and integrity, because in what breath is it okay to put a woman in a room with a man that is trying to take her to court was trying to take her to court for full custody and release revenge P? And I know that there are a lot of stupid ass hoes that have gotten in my comment section that I've gladly cursed out, that keeps connotating her being there and fighting for her show as it to not being that big of a deal. And this is what I mean by pea brain, bird brain hoes. Every interview that we've seen Carlos discuss Love and Marriage Huntsville and how it came about, it stands. Mel came up in there with her baby mama as he sat down smiling, listening to Mel present the show to Carlos. They sit it down. A year or so later, he comes back with a plan for the show. What does that mean? That mean Mel created the damn show. Why would she walk away from a show that she created and leave it to a bunch of people that are actively, in my opinion, intentionally trying to push her out? That's not smart. Why is it that we are blaming the victim for trying to hold on to something that she built and not directly going after the abuser? I don't understand what this mindset is and why there are dumb assholes going around social media and hopping on everybody, any content creator page that they can to spill out this dumb shit. It's the same thing over and over and over with our community. We are not protecting the victims and we are making them feel as though they're doing something wrong for speaking out for themselves or for trying to hold on to the things that they have built for themselves, knowing a narc would intentionally try to take everything from you, as we've seen Mel's baby mama demonstrate. I don't understand why we are missing the point. So to the booger hole that got them caterpillars on her eyes, that jumped from content creator to content creator platform to spill out her bullshit, her logic is, why doesn't Mel leave if it's so bad? And ho, like I said to you in the comment section, why is it that you are trying to attack the victim for trying to hold on to something that she built rather than attacking the person that is actually doing and causing the harm? You hoes are backwards, but what I want for women that protect abusers is for them to get the life that they ultimately deserve. And that is a man like Mel's baby mama. And that sounds unfortunate, but it's the truth. I want that for you, your daughters, your mother, their daughters, the whole bloodline, seeing as though you guys cannot see how dangerous this is unless you are probably in the situation. So I'm hoping that all of these women that align themselves with Martell and that can really protect him in all his nonsense, I'm hoping that they can get a Martell. I'm hoping their daughters can get a Martell. I'm hoping their mothers can get a Martell, because y'all deserve it. And one more thing when it comes to that booger ass whore, I don't understand how you dummies keep coming on my platform, commenting on my channel, and then get upset when I respond to every comment that you comment on my platform and then try to say I'm harassing you. The next one of you hoes come on my platform and comment 15 times the way that I am Tavonda did, and then turn around and say I'm harassing you because I respond, I'm gonna blast the shit out of y'all and your whole fucking family, and I'm gonna tag every fucking body and tell them to come get your ugly ass off this platform, embarrassing the family name. Because if anybody is harassing anybody, it's you dusty assholes that keep coming back to my platform knowing you don't like my content to comment, then try to report my shit and say that I'm harassing you. I got something for you hillbilly ass bitches that want to play games on YouTube. Same thing with that other nickel mouth ass hoe, Ashanti. Yeah, bitch, I had to tag your daughter, unfortunately, and tell her to come get your mammy off the goddamn internet. And yo nickel mouth ass, thank you Slick for trying to report my comment for bullying and harassment. But I got something for you, bitch. I want to let you know that I went ahead and I rephrased my entire paragraph, and I am planning on reposting your ugly ass, not only on my YouTube but in a video as well, because when I responded to your dusty ass at 3 o'clock in the morning and you got my post taken down for bullying and harassment, even though your ugly ass got 55 comments on my channel, will get your fucking karma. You're gonna get the attention that you're looking for. Sorry, y'all. I had to get that out because I've been holding on to that. I hate going on these rants in Mills videos, but I just had to because these people be having me fucked up sometimes. But back to Charnita's World, okay? Because that's why we here. Charnita's World comes on tonight, okay, at 9 p.m. I told you guys I'll show you guys how to get on the Nubian platform. You download the app in your app store, or you can log on to it on the internet on your phone. So you don't actually have to download the app if you don't want to. So you type in Nubian TV. You scroll down, as you guys can see here, it says Nubian shows. I'm kind of just showing you just the shows that they're showing, but if you scroll down some more, it's going to show you what they have playing for today. So y'all saw we were up under Thursday. These are all the shows that are coming on today on Friday. These are all the shows that are coming on today, the 23rd, on Friday, and it has the time slots of these shows, etc. So if you scroll all the way down, you guys are going to see that Charnita's World is listed as a show that's coming on Nubian TV today at 9 p.m. It also states that the show is going to be for 60 minutes. And then you can see a synopsis of the show. So in my opinion, this is super easy. All you guys have to do is literally get your Nubian TV tab ready on the internet, or get the app ready. At 9 p.m., you go to Nubian TV and you are going to click shows, as you guys are going to see right here in this screen recording. You're going to click watch now. And when you click watch now at 9 p.m., the show that is going to be airing at 9 p.m., which is going to be Charnita's World, will be going live. So it is really simple, but if you guys want us to go live so we can do Charnita's World a review together, we can watch it together on live, get in the comment section, let me know. I'm going to be dropping videos all day because you guys know I'm kind of backed up and I do want to talk about some of these topics. So get in the comment section, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the post notification bell so you guys are up to date each and every time that I upload.
Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, you can't
In the case of anybody.
That's why I spend my life